Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Pilot Touring with all-wheel drive and 8-person capacity. And that engine is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it and take you for a tour. Okay. And you see that it does have a number of LEDs on this vehicle. If any of them appear to be flickering, that is the refresh rate of the camera that's bringing us that disco party. They don't flicker to the human eye. And you see down there that it does have fog lights, alloy wheels, there's your third row, second row, and your Scooby-Doo row. Looks like this is the Scooby-Doo edition. You get a free copy of Scooby-Doo with this vehicle. All right, you just have your stowage right here. Honda does a fantastic job of utilizing every cubic inch of their vehicles. This one also has leather seats and a sunroof. Let's go ahead and take a tour of the interior. It is a light gray leather interior, and it does have heated second row seats and 115 volt outlet right there. There are your headphones. And we're going to turn this down when we get a chance because I can't compete with Shag and Scoob. Here is your VIN right here. 2 driver presets. Okay. Once again, this isn't flickering to the human eye. It just may appear that way because it's LEDs. And as you look down here, you'll see that it has 23,858 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your paddle shifters, and you're going to have your Blu-ray and entertainment right here, push to talk, stereo controls, and cruise controls, push button start. You see that it is equipped with navigation. We'll just go ahead and bounce on back home. So you come here and you see that it does have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. Go ahead and go back out of there. You also have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. There are your system updates right here. You can plug in through your auxiliary or USB. And then there's an HDMI cable for the entertainment center. Here's your AT&T hotspot. And it also has cabin talk, which allows you to be able to talk to the passengers via speaker. And then you can also use your headphones just in case someone has their headphones on. You can communicate with them in the back. Okay, and then there you also have Honda Link. And if you want to see the backup camera, there's the backup camera in HD. All right. And as you come down here, you have your comfort controls. And right here you'll see that you do have heated front seats. And there's your Blu-ray player, a 12 volt power outlet, and then right here is just a USB or 2.5 amp. Key fob right here, and it does have a push button start, so you have a remote start. And you've got your cup holders, your shifter, again additional power outlets and USB ports. Close all that up. And then you have your glove compartment. Come up here, you have your map reading lights. And then this glasses holder also doubles as a conversation mirror, so you can see all the folks in the back. And then we'll go ahead and close up this sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this Honda. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here on the driver rear quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.